Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. Yep, this is the Hot Wheels Premium, and this one is the Corvette CI.R. And so I did buy these two in this series when I visited Dubai. So I think I bought this for 4.4 Omani Reals. Sorry, I think I bought this in Oman. I think in Center Point, if I'm not wrong. So if you guys are there, if you want to purchase some premiums, go to the shop Center Point. You can find a lot there. So I bought three premiums there. One is this one, and second one is this Bronco, which I will be unboxing shortly. And third one is the Mystery Mission, the recent edition with the flower on the front. So that one I will be saving for the very future days. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So I do have one premium already open, which is the Lamborghini Essenza. So you can see it in my playlist either in Lamborghini or in Hot Wheels or even in diecast. So this is the second premium which I'm unboxing. So I'm not trying to damage the card here. Yeah, I'm not going to sell, but I just want to keep it really nice and safe. Okay, so they have some kind of protective film here, so you can see. Okay, let's throw that away, keep the card aside. Okay, so the first impressions are this one is really a heavy one, and this looks really nice. It actually looks really beautiful. So the paint job is it's really nice, but it has some damage here. I know it is removable. I think it went away. Yeah, it went away. So yeah, the paint job looks really nice. And finally they put some kind of fiber for headlights, at least for the premium range. I hope this one continues for all the premium range, because the Lamborghini Essenza doesn't have a visible headlight even in the real car. So I didn't see one. So the tail lights are painted. So I wish they had some kind of fiber for the tail lights also. That would have been really great. So I know premiums, the entire car is made of metal. So the chassis is made of metal, and the tires are actually made of rubber. And I personally love the rims. This looks really deep and really nice. It actually looks really cool. And this one has a rear view mirrors as well. So this one has a little bit of accents here, and on top of that it is painted. So the windows are actually tinted, so I can't able to show everything. So the fuel cap is also painted. So the paint job looks really nice on this one. For the first time I in a Hot Wheels which I'm owning, maybe except for the Essenza which I'm already unboxed. So this one has a really beautiful paint job, and it doesn't have any irregularities or anything like that. At least I am not able to see it. So the windshield does have some scratch here. Not sure how it is possible, but hey, it's metal we are talking about. So you need to expect the unexpected. Okay, let's do a roll test as usual. I know this is not going to roll, but anyways. Wow. So at least this one rolls better than that STH which we unboxed, that Porsche. But this looks really cool, as you can, it looks really low. I know, Mattel takes a lot of liberty when it comes to designing their cars. But this one looks really beautiful. I personally love this one now. I really don't remember how much it costed in Indian money, because I bought it in bulk. I bought a lot of cars on that specific day. So I don't remember how much I actually spent for this particular one. So you saw that 4.4 OMR, right? You can just convert that to Indian rupee and you can see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.